Let us learn about the history of Indian banking system. Banking in India forms the base of the economic development of the country. It dates back before India got independence in 1947. We can divide the history of banking system into different categories. Pre-independence period, post-independence period. Let us first discuss the pre-independence period. Bank of Hindustan was the first bank to be established in the year 1770 located in Calcutta. There were over 600 banks that were established during the British Raj, but only a few managed to survive today. During the British rule in India, the East India Company had established 3 banks, that is, Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay, and Bank of Madras. They were called as Presidential banks and were later merged into one single bank called as Imperial Bank, which was nationalized after our independence in 1955, was named as the State Bank of India. Few surviving banks of British colonial period are lack of machines, technology, fewer facilities, human error while accounting, and improper management were the cause of the failure of many pre-independence banks in India. Now, let us look what happened after India got independence. At the time when India got independence, all the major banks of the country were led privately, which was a cause of concern as the people belonging to rural areas were still dependent on money lenders for financial assistance. With an aim to solve this problem, the then government decided to nationalize the banks. These banks were nationalized under the Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Whereas, the Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in 1949. Following it was the formation of State Bank of India in 1955, and the other 14 banks were nationalized between the time duration of 1969 to 1991. These were the banks whose national deposits were more than 50 crores. In the year 1980, another 6 banks were nationalized, taking the number to 20 banks. Regional rural banks in India were established in the year 1975 for the development of rural areas in India. The biggest development was the introduction of private sector banks in India. RBI gave license to 10 private sector banks to establish themselves in the country. The entire period of evolution of the banking industry is ongoing, and each day new changes can be seen in the banking sector for the betterment of the economic growth of the country.